Kumusta guys? Ngayong araw, samahan nyo ako mag-react sa pinakabagong cover song ng banda Mission Souls. Ito yung Out of My Head, Pass Ball. Ayan, tignan natin dito kung gaano kaganda yung pagka-cover nila dito. First time ko palang maririnig tong kanta na to. Ganda ng intro. Keyboard.
Sometimes I feel like I'm trapped behind the wheel. The wheel of possibility. However it may roll.
Ganda talaga ng boses ni Mami Sheena. May pinagmanahan talaga sila Stacy, Naces at Nisha. Pati si Ice.
See if we can somehow factor in. You know there's always more than one way to say exactly what you mean to say. Was it
Gandang-ganda talaga ako dito sa gitara ni Stacy na to, yung acoustic. Yung Fender na Acostasonic. Ganda pa ng kulay. Kakulay nung electric guitar ni Nisha na Fender.
my head? Was I out of my mind? How could I ever be so blind? I was waiting for an indication, but it was hard to find. No matter what I say, only what I do.
Gamit ulit ni Nisha dito yung kanyang Les Paul na napaka-solid ng tunog.
I never mean to do bad things to you. So quiet, but I finally woke up. If you're sad, it's time you spoke up too.
Grabe naman yun. Napakalamig ng tunog ng gitara ni Nisha. Iba talaga ang quality ng Les Paul, ano? Kaya medyo pricey itong gitarang to. Talagang solve ka talaga sa tunog, sa quality.
My head, was I out of my mind? How could I ever been so blind?
Lalo kung nagra-record ka gaya ng banda Mission Souls.
I was waiting for an indication. It was hard to find. No matter what I said, only what.
Magandang ang investment, ano? Kung ikaw ay isang musikero at pinagkakitaan mo yung pagtugtog, dapat quality rin yung kay iyong mga musical instruments.
I do. I never mean to do bad things to you. So quiet, but I finally woke up. If you're sad, and it's time you spoke up too.
Dalawang gamit ni Ice, isang electric drums, tsaka yung kanyang drum set na analog.
Was I out of my head? Was I out of my mind? How could I ever been so blind? I was waiting for an indication.
Ano bang tawag dito sa drum set na yan yung gamit ni Ice, guys? Sa mga nakakaalam, guys, sa ating comment section. Ayan, medyo nag-lose pa yung mic natin. Ayan, pagpasensya nyo na. I-comment nyo lang, guys, sa mga nakakaalam ko ano ba ang tawag dito sa drums na hindi na kailangan ng kuryente gaya ng electric. Parang kung tama ba ako, acoustic yata, no? Acoustic drums. Ayan, i-comment nyo lang, guys, sa mga nakakaalam.
It was hard to find. No matter what I say, only what I do. I never mean to do bad things to you. So quiet, but I finally woke up. If you're sad, then it's time you spoke up too.
Ang astig ng sombrero ni Ice at ni Nisha. Merong logo ng banda Mission Souls. Grabe, napakaswabe nung patapos. Napaka-astig talaga ng banda Mission Souls. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nilang i-cover. At ganun din sa ating munting channel, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, baka naman guys, i-like nyo na rin ang ating mga video. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.